All right, I want to talk about this virtual violin assignment. And what I did was I made an app, I'm calling it Virtual Violin. It's not intended to replace a violin and definitely not as cool as playing a real violin, but it can be a bit more relevant than the existing apps out there, for example, a virtual piano. So I'm making this tutorial video to help you out. So first thing I want you to do is click on this Yoder Studio Book 2 link, and you're going to see some music. Now here's the trick. I want you to click and hold on this tab, pull it down, see how it's separated, and then what I want you to do is open the Virtual Violin app. And what you're going to do here is hit play, and this is by far the most important thing. You need to do some tests. So first of all, you need to make sure the volume is on and that you can hear something. So for our first assignment, this is actually going to be quite easy. You're going to play two notes, and I wrote it out for you. You already learned these in your class, but let's work on them again. And this is A, and this is D. So over here, this is where the A string will be, and when you're playing the violin and you're doing a pizzicato, it's going to be right here. So when this bar turns pink, see how the bars are turning pink? That means it's time to play, and you're going to go ahead and click that. Same thing here with D. All right, let's try it. So what you're going to do is hit play. Then you're going to come running over here and get ready for A. Ready, go. Now the next one is D. Ready, go. And that's it. So I'm going to let you do the last two notes on yourself. Now, I included a video on how to post the video using Screencastify. I'm already using Screencastify right here, as you can see. But the problem is I'm in a teacher view, and what I want you to do is use the student view. So watch the video next. It'll show you exactly how to do that. Okay, let's talk about Screencastify real quick. So you don't have to download anything. All you do is click on this link. And then I want you to record. When you hit record, you get a option of your entire screen, the application window, which shows you what you have open, and the Chrome tab. So actually, let's just do your entire screen. You can't hit share audio because you'll get an error. Let me show you real quick. Say recording system audio is not supported yet. So hopefully soon. All right, so click on this, hit share, and then you get this countdown. And then you're recording. So when you've done the virtual violin, go ahead and hit stop recording. And then you can edit this if you want, but I don't recommend it. And then if you want to start over, you can start over. And what I want you to do is hit submit. And now what I have here is a video of what it looks like from your screen if you hit submit. Because I'm the teacher, I'm going to have a teacher view, so that could be a little confusing. So let's go ahead and watch this YouTube video. I'll narrate over it so it's not too confusing. And here we are. So after hitting the submit button, you have an option to share to your classroom, so go ahead and do that. And you'll see which class to pick. I want you to pick your school's name plus virtual strings, and then you have an option to choose which assignment and select the correct assignment, and then go ahead and hit go. And it could take a second, and then you'll go ahead and hit attach. So go ahead and you will view the assignment. And what I want you to do is turn it in. So go ahead and hit turn in. Then do it again. And then you're all set, and you have turned in your assignment. Okay, and that's all there is to it for your virtual violin assignment. Do your best, and keep in mind the audio may not come across in your recording, and that's fine. I can tell if you're doing it or not. All right, enjoy, and stay safe.